Hi there, it's Dr. Kim de Tollenaren here, and today I want to share with you some tips for achieving healthier, stronger and more beautiful nails. As a doctor, I know that nails can provide important clues to a person's overall health, so taking care of them is crucial. Not only that, having neat and polished nails can also make you look and feel good. So let's get started. But first, I am Dr. Kim de Tollenaren. I am a medical doctor and I started this YouTube channel documenting my life as a medical student while I was still in medical school. But now I make more videos like this one, so more of a mix between beauty and medicine. So if this sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. You can also check out my blog, Dr. Contour, and my other social media channels such as Instagram for more updates. Tip number 1. Health and hygiene. First and foremost, it's important to keep your nails clean and neat. This is not only for cosmetic purposes, but also to protect you from infections and illness. Make sure to wash your hands regularly and pay special attention to your nails when washing them. If you're out and about and don't have access to soap and water, carry a hand sanitizer with you. Tip number 2. Moisturizing. Just like your skin, your nails need moisture too. Washing your hands frequently can dry out your nails, so using a good nail cream or lotion is essential. This will not only prevent dry and brittle nails, but also make it easier for you to try out different nail art designs. I recommend using cuticle creams such as Deborah Lippmann The Cure at Sephora nail cream, as it goes deep into your nail skin and hydrates it from inside out. Tip number 3. Dietary habits. Your nails require certain nutrients to grow and remain healthy, such as zinc and omega-3. If you're not getting enough of these nutrients from your diet, consider taking supplements. Talk to your healthcare provider to know more about what works best for you. Tip number 4. Care before and after swimming. Chlorine in swimming pools can cause damage to your nails. To minimize the effects, apply a cuticle oil before entering the pool. After swimming, make sure to moisturize your nails to keep them healthy. Tip number 5. Keep nails dry. Frequent washing of your hands is necessary for hygiene, but it can also have negative consequences for your nails. Always make sure to dry your nails properly after washing them. Also, wearing gloves while doing chores like washing clothes or doing the dishes can protect your nails from getting weak and brittle. You can buy these gloves in local supermarkets, so it's always good if you do any household tasks to use gloves to protect your nails. But you can also use this to prevent aging of the skin of your hands, because hands also age. So it's a good tip. Tip number 6. Regular grooming. Keeping your nails short is important to minimize breakage and damage. Short nails are also easier to keep clean and well groomed. If your nail tips are too long, they can accumulate bacteria that can make you sick. Tip number 7. General care. Remember not to use your nails to exert force, such as opening cans or jars. This can cause damage to your nails. Also, avoid pushing back your cuticles, as they protect your nails. Damaged skin around the nail should not be peeled, but instead nourished using ointments or moisturizing creams. Tip number 8. Gentle touch. Lastly, be gentle with your nails, as they are delicate. Don't be too harsh while removing nail polish or massaging your hands and nails. This can cause damage to your nails and skin around them. By following these simple nail care tips, you can achieve healthier, stronger, and more beautiful nails. Remember to maintain good hygiene, moisturize your nails, watch your dietary habits, care before and after swimming, keep nails dry, groom them regularly, handle them gently, and avoid pushing back cuticles. These healthy habits not only promote the health of your nails, but your overall well-being. So give them a try and flaunt your beautiful nails to your friends and family. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon for the next video. Bye!